on me.
We believe that this is significant, whatever the fuck it is. And by we, I mean me.
We me.
By we, I mean me. We me. She's playing I'm not a weenie. Shut up. We do not talk. We let our visuals do the talking for us. The sky will talk for us. And by us, I mean me. What the fuck is this? I mean, honestly, are you fucking with me right now? Are you? Somebody's fucking with me. Did I get the giant gooses on camera? Whatever the fuck they are. I don't even think I can see them on camera. There's a multitude of things flying around. I haven't seen them on camera. Just on the normal eye vision. Hi guys, up in the skies. Up in the skies, all in disguise. That's what I think. Hello. Looking like a couple things up there, huh? I'm not gonna sit here and act like I know what I'm looking at. Because I don't. Okay. I don't. But I know it looks beautiful. And I know that that looks like a flower of life pattern. A sacred geometrical thing going on there. When you stare at a sacred geometry thing, shape, or whatever, it starts playing tricks on your eyes. Have you ever noticed that? They were also saying something about sacred geometries, like a necessity to create portals, something like that. The very shape of the sacred geometry somehow lends itself to making portals, some shit. I don't know. I don't know the language to describe it, but I know in my mind what I'm saying. It's light bending. The whole damn thing's based on light. Everything we see, our whole reality, is a light show that we do not control. But we might have the ability to control it. We just forgot. Not control it, but I mean, I don't know. Steer it, work with it, not be a fucking victim of it. Just be helpless at its fucking, oh no, the sun's gonna flare us to death. I don't know what it's gonna do. But supposedly there's a big storm coming today. Or it's gonna be raining. 100% of it's supposed to be heavy rain right now is what the weather says. I mean, the weather app says. It's not even raining. It only rained for like 10 minutes earlier. I don't know if I've caught anything significant. It sure does look neat though, huh? I think I just saw fucking UFO over there. I'm sorry, the UAP. Whatever the fuck it's called. This guy's crawling with them. Oh, I got shit floating in my eyes. I got atmospheric jellyfish floating in my eyes. Is that what you're telling me? I got little UFOs stuck in my eyeballs. Jetting around. I don't know about that. I doubt it. But maybe anything's possible. What was that? I swear to God. I saw one of those flying, I don't know what they're. They move really, really fast. They look like insects when you slow them down and catch them on film or camera or whatever. But I don't think they're fucking insects, dude. I just saw them in my fucking eyeball. I'm sure there's far more stuff going on in the clouds themselves. But I just don't. There's so much going on, I can't really comment on it right now. I have to look back at it. Yeah, that's a wonderful specimen. Some sort of specimen. Oh, there's his old face right there that fell off. Hello! How are you? Old man of the sky, that's what they call him. Man, I just can't stop myself from saying silly shit. I'm sorry, everyone. But look at this shit. And that shit. Have we gone full dragon on it? Just playing. Have we? Like I said, so much insanity going on up there. I don't even know what the fuck I'm looking at. I could be like other people and play with the colors so much that it looks like a rainbow every time I look up at the sky. But no, I don't cheat that way. My shit's pure, unfiltered. Well, maybe sometimes I use a filter to highlight things. But I'm just saying. Oh yeah. Well, I'm saying this. Do we see that tower? Where is it? Do you see the tower back there? I think I'm looking at the tower. There's like a 5G tower somewhere right here. I can't really see it because of the glare, but I'm sure I'm looking at it, looking at its direction. I always seem to see the patterns, the very intricate, weird patterns, are either being created by the tower or as a result of something shooting to the tower. I'm not sure exactly, but oh, there's a ship. I think I can see all the points. Oh, like the corners of it, the little dots. And if this is true, there's a few of these fucking triangle shaped ones, but each dot is a corner of the triangle. Hello. I'm a cloaked ship. Hello. Silly humans. Tricks are for kids. And crazy fucking formations in the clouds. And for trick-or-treating, probably. Most likely. This is directly above my house. Let's see. There's usually something weird forming there. Like a sphere or something. Because I got this fucking... I think it's because I got this fucking pyramid thing right there. Trying to attract energy. I don't know. I'm not exactly an alchemist like I want to be. They keep the fucking alchemy hidden. We need to know that. Somebody tell me if you've ever seen a book about just alchemy stuff. Not about alchemy. Explaining what alchemy is. No, like the alchemy. Is that a foot? A foot with eyeballs. Like I said, I don't know. Surely does look like a pattern of some sort of grid with beings coming in and out of it. What do you think? What do you think, Bushkies? Shalaga. I forgot what he said.